Let's read about Miss Kristy's Yawning, featuring Noodle Pals, journal by Miss Bobby. Can you help Miss Kristy? Said Broccoli. She is yawning in bed. Please be quiet, said Blossom. I think she's getting sleepy. Let's put her to bed. The star is here to guide us in the night. Why do we yawn when we feel sleepy? Asked Noodle. Because Miss Kristy has drowsy eyes, said Cheesy. I have drowsy eyes too, said Broccoli. It's almost 9 p.m. The Noodle Paws are getting ready for bed. We sing her favorite bedtime song. It's called Rockabye Baby. Have you rubbed your eyes when we feel sleepy? Miss Kristy's eyes are heavy. Can you help? Have you feel sleepy before? Noodle said, I will give her a blanket. Good idea, said Cheesy. Let's do that. The star said, you can watch Miss Kristy yawning. Let's give her a pillow, said Blossom. Please be quiet, said Broccoli. She has drowsy eyes. Don't wake Miss Kristy up, said Noodle. We will tiptoe quietly. Everybody is sleeping now. Shall we go to bed too? The end. Thanks for watching for Noodle and Pals video. See you next time.